Google Pixel phones are known for offering one of the cleanest Android experiences. Unlike many smartphones that come packed with unnecessary apps, Pixel devices keep things simple. Most of the pre-installed apps actually serve a purpose, and one of those apps is My Pixel. Now, a new report suggests that Google could finally be working on an upgrade that Pixel users have wanted for years. If you've ever owned a Pixel phone, you've probably seen the My Pixel app. At first glance, it might seem like just another app sitting on your device, but it is actually much more useful than many people realize. The My Pixel app works as a complete guide for your phone. It helps users learn about different Pixel features, discover new tools, and understand how to get the most out of their device. Whether you're a longtime Pixel user or someone switching from another brand, the app can be a valuable resource. For example, if Google introduces a new camera feature, you can open the My Pixel app and learn exactly how it works. If you're interested in AI tools powered by Gemini, the app can explain those features as well. It acts like a built-in manual, but in a much more modern and interactive way. The app also includes updates and news related to Pixel devices. Users can find information about recent feature drops, software updates, and new capabilities added to their phones. There are also dedicated sections for support and shopping. The support section helps users troubleshoot issues and find solutions when something isn't working correctly. Meanwhile, the store section connects users directly to Google's online store, where they can browse products like Pixel watches, phone cases, earbuds, and other accessories. Overall, the My Pixel app has become a central hub for learning about Pixel devices. But despite all its usefulness, there's one major problem that has frustrated users for a long time. The problem is surprisingly simple. The app doesn't have a built-in search feature. That may not sound like a huge issue at first, but think about how much information is stored inside the app. There are guides, tutorials, support articles, feature explanations, and product information spread across multiple sections. If you're looking for something specific, you often have to manually browse through different categories until you finally find the answer you're looking for. That process can be time-consuming and frustrating, especially for new users. Fortunately, Google may finally be preparing to fix this issue. According to reports, clues have been discovered inside a newer version of the My Pixel app. The findings suggest that Google is developing an internal search tool that could make finding information much easier. The feature is reportedly known by the internal name Coda. While Google hasn't officially announced it yet, evidence found within the app's code strongly suggests that development is underway. If the feature launches, users may be able to simply type what they're looking for instead of digging through menus. This would make the app far more convenient and user-friendly. Interestingly, some of the discussed code hints at possible search suggestions as well. Examples include searches related to customizing the home screen, improving battery life, using phone cases, understanding 100x zoom features, and blocking spam calls. The mention of phone cases is particularly interesting because it suggests the search function may not only help users find tutorials and tips, it could also help users discover products available through the Google Store directly from within the app. In other words, the search feature might become a universal tool that connects support information, device features, and shopping recommendations all in one place. For many Pixel owners, this may sound like a small update, but it could have a huge impact on the overall experience. Sometimes the most useful upgrades aren't flashy new AI tools or major design changes. Sometimes they're simple improvements that make everyday tasks easier. A search bar may not grab headlines the way new cameras or processors do, but for people who regularly use the My Pixel app, it could save time and eliminate frustration. At the moment, the feature still appears to be in the early stages of development. Google hasn't confirmed when it will arrive, and there's always a chance plans could change before release. Still, the discovery gives Pixel users something to look forward to. If Google successfully adds a powerful search function to the My Pixel app, it could transform an already useful tool into an even better resource for millions of users. Sometimes the best upgrades are the ones that solve everyday problems, and this could end up being one of the most practical Pixel improvements of the year.